So right from the beginning, C2D was very helpful when we started looking out for vendors for this work. We interacted initially with Kumar and Kirti. They were always very helpful, very positive, came across as very genuine. Special mention to Ananya for helping design and discuss through the entire process, accommodate our requests. Sachin as well for the production and the actual implementation. They've always been available for whatever small requests that we've asked.
Yeah, C2D team was excellent in delivering what we wanted, and especially our expectation was very clear from the beginning that we want a very minimal and a very open kind of a house, because we have a pet for whom we have designed this house. And you can see Kirti's artistic suggestions has come out very well. This is a very nice piece of wallpaper she has proposed, and the kitchen also has a very beautiful color combination, and yeah, the whole house has come out very beautifully and exactly as per what we have thought on. So thanks C2D team.